Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back. This is the villa tour in Koh Samui, Thailand. I've been here about 2 months now, with about 1 month left, and it's been nothing short of a blast. But you've been asking me in the DM, in the comments, Matt, where's the villa tour? We want to see what you're working with. Okay, let's do it. So we're in Koh Samui, we're in an area called Chaweng, which is the most popular part. And then you also have Lamai, which is further down that way. If you're thinking of moving here, you've got to decide, do I want to be where all the action is, or do I want to be where it's more quiet? So Chaweng or Lamai. Right now we're situated perfectly in between the two, so that works out. So if you follow me, you go downstairs, storage room there. So now you've got a couple options here. You've got a couple options. You can go in the house, and you can go downstairs, which is the third bedroom. If you open the door, basic setup. So you have the kitchen here, you've got a table here, you can work, eat, got the fridge, not much in here, so just some drinks. And plenty of storage space. So if you're gonna cook a lot, which we don't personally, you've got plenty of storage space. Sink, you've got the essentials here. You've got this nice table, got this nice lamp at the top. And this wouldn't be complete without air conditioning. So right behind there is aircon, because you would die here if there wasn't any aircon. You've got a couch here as well, overlooking the sea. A bit messy right now, but again, it's all good. This is basically the living area. TV, more storage space. This is a master bedroom. This is the other bedroom. When you walk in the master bedroom, this is what we're working with. So you get a pretty good view of Koh Samui, Thailand. So it's not bad. We've got the pool there, we've got the deck, king size bed, we've got drawers, wardrobes, so plenty of room as well. That's what I like about it. Plenty of room. If you head in here, this is what we're working with. Super simple. Just 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, shower, and a toilet. One of my housemates, this is basically a mirror image. So he's got the same setup, he's got the same sort of bedroom. And yeah, it's the bathroom. We head over to arguably the best part of the villa. Super simple, guys. It's not much to it. In the pictures, it did look very complicated. It looked like there was a lot going on, but when you come here in real life, super simple setup. It's all pretty open plan, which is nice. I'll answer the golden question, which you guys have been asking, which is how much do you pay per month? And the answer is around $3,000 per month. And remember, guys, big tip: get as many friends as you want who have the same idea, who are also, like-minded, who wanna run a business, that you have the same sort of vision. And if you guys want to head out to Thailand, if you want to head out to Southeast Asia or Latin America, wherever you desire, move in with them, because I was going to move just to Thailand. You know my story, move here on my own. This is $3,000 a month, but if you split it between three people, you're now only paying like $1,000 a month. If you look in other countries, you get this, basically $1,000 a month. And then if you go to Canada, the UK, can't find anything for that price. So this is more on the higher end. You can definitely find stuff that is around 400, 500, 600 for a 1 bed. That's how cheap it can get here. But yeah, guys, if you're thinking of moving out to Thailand too, don't be shy to hit up my DMs. If you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.